So I just played an online game with a schooler. To his rating right now is 5 for 69, but at that time it was almost 600. So let's see what happened in that match. So e4 replied, uh, and capture and recapturing, threatening the pawn, threatening or wishing to take it. He's just he's just trying to protect his pawn. So I'm just threatening that knight, and I don't know why he made this move. I captured the knight, and he recaptured, and I went to my queen, and actually by this what happened, the advantage was that now he can't castle, which was very good, and I captured that free pawn, and I don't know why he played this move, and I went there and captured that free rook. Then he was just coming closer to me just to kill me, so I tried to protect it, but no, I was not able to protect it. But I gave, but then also I moved my knight to that position so that the pawn will kill it, and the space would be left for me, and I can just that h2 pawn I can just what we can say, promote it to queen. So sorry, so I have just um, just made a way for me for developing that h2 pawn. So I don't know why he was sending me, and there's no support from behind. So obviously I would capture it. Then I don't know why this foolish move once again, and I threatened that bishop. It went back. I just took my rook out, and he also just took his rook out to the position, and I captured that. Now I'm not knowing how it's playing, but I could have captured that free pawn, but I didn't capture it, and I was at that time I was thinking that I would promote this pawn that I'm right now picking h3 pawn. I would promote it to queen, so I was just I just made my rook there so that g6 pawn can't kill me. So then he moved his rook down, and I captured that free one because it was hanging free only. So then he exceeded me. Then I don't know. His bishop was protected by the rook, and he could have moved here or there. But now I don't know. He left his bishop. I don't know why, but he left his bishop free, and just came in front of my rook to trade. So obviously I would not accept that trade, and I just denied that trade, and I captured that free bishop. So then on this foolish guy, I don't know this foolish guy. He was just giving me free pieces. So now I could have I could have done a checkmate easily with this two rook, because the king. So because that king was lying in a corner, and he was not protected by any of the pawns, and he was just lying in the corner. So I could have checked it easily in 2 moves, I think 2 or 3 moves. But I could have moved my rook 1 step ahead, and then this rook to d1d, and then above. But I don't know, I like complex moves, so I tried to just develop my queen there. So he was also trying to develop his pawn. So I captured that pawn that it was lying free. Then I just moved there to e7, so that when the pawn develops in queen, as soon as the pawn develops, it could be a checkmate. And he was also trying to just promote his pieces. And then he that pawn that now he moved. If I would have killed that pawn, and he could have developed it in the queen. He could have developed that in the queen, and could have and I could have taken much time for checkmating this man cooler too. So I captured that pawn. No, sorry. And now I was knowing that the pawns can't develop because they 2 pawns with these 3 pawns would stop them. I gave a threat. He managed there, so I just tried to move my what we can say my knight, so that so that he could be out of from that position. He came there, so I just removed my knight. Then he was he came to a position where he could have killed that he had that I could have saved both of my pieces, but I just thought that now it's I can sacrifice that. That knight, because I don't want it now, so I just sacrificed it. Because knight was making the game actually more complex, so I sacrificed it. I developed it in the queen, and then he was just trying to escape, but this foolish man didn't know that there is a queen. How could he escape? And but this man was was a very brave man, was a very brave man, because I also anyone who doesn't have any queen, and the opponent has 2 rooks or queen, and I also I had have given resign. And almost all people at this moment of time, they would have given the resign. But I know this, but I don't know why this brave man was playing without any rook and queen, and was thinking that I